Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 33,000 miles and comes with full service history from Nissan. This particular colour is the metallic pearl black and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As for everything inside, the Qashqai is a great car for the family, so the nice raised driving position there. As you can see, the interior is in great condition and these seats are really comfy. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the front for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A few other features like I mentioned, you also have climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. If you open the rear doors, as I said, the Qashqai is a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and there's also pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor you have your bit of extra storage as well as your tyre inflator gear there. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.